I have a piece of cardboard in this plastic Easter egg. I'm just going to use the egg as a template. And then I found a teardrop shaped piece of wood. I get these from Hobby Lobby. It was in my craft stash. And sometimes when I need to draw something, I'm not good at freehanding things. I just find shapes and objects within my craft stash so that way I can create a design. So here I'm using the teardrop for some leaves, and then I'm just going to draw a little stem on the top. So here we have a strawberry. And I'm going to cut it out using a razor blade. I get this little razor blade right from my local dollar store. It works pretty well. And if your cardboard is not too thick, this should be very easy to cut out. And I went around the entire design until I popped out the bottom part of the strawberry and then the top part of the strawberry. I'm going to paint it using some Wise Owl Republic Red. I did mix a little bit of the Snow Owl in here just to make it a little lighter of a red. And then I'm going to take some Wise Owl Botanical, and I also mixed a small amount of Snow Owl to get a little lighter shade of green as well. Now we will have a template for the strawberry on our website at chalkitupfancy.com. I grabbed this smaller wood strawberry from Joann Fabrics. I found it online at their store, and I'll just paint that the same colors that I painted the larger one that we cut out. And once that was dry, I'm then going to take a small art brush and some Wise Owl black paint, and I'm just going to make the little seeds of the strawberry. I have some letters. I'm going to spray paint all of my letters using some Krylon Shortcut spray paint. You can certainly paint these any color of your choice, and you can also use regular paint instead of the spray paint. Sometimes when I have a lot of letters, I'm going to use a spray paint just because it is much easier to work with. Now the smaller letters come from Hobby Lobby. There are 2 in a pack, and they measure 3.9 by 1 inch. Now I have this large wood plank board. This is 9.5 by 48 inches. I got this from Hobby Lobby in their wood section, and I'm going to paint it with some Wise Owl white primer. Once the primer is fully dry, I'm then going to go in with some Wise Owl Snow Owl, and I gave that 2 coats of the Wise Owl Snow Owl. Primer is good to use on these boards. It will help any bleed through of the knots later down the road. And once everything was fully dry, I'm then going to lay my letters on top of the board. Just to get an idea of placement, they are not going to be perfect just yet. So I did the home sweet on top. The home is a little curved. The sweet will be straight. And then I'm going to place the H, the strawberry for the O, the M and the E on the bottom portion of my board. Now I started all the letters 4 inches from the top and then 4 inches from the bottom, and then I just spaced them out throughout that space. I like having this little straight edge on me. It just helps keep everything straight and helps me remember where I need to place the letter. And I'm also using it as a spacer, so I did all my letters and words about 1 inch apart. Now I'm adhering all my letters down with some hot glue. We like the Gorilla Glue brand. And I also think the Elmer's wood glue is also a good choice. The wood glue is going to give you a stronger hold. And before I place my letters down, I did coat this with 1 hour enamel. This is just a good top coat. And after I place the letters, I'm going to go on top of all my letters with the Wise Owl 1 hour enamel clear again. You can also use the Wise Owl varnish. Those are both really great, durable top coats. And there we go. Now we have this home sweet home board using some cardboard strawberries. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, and mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials on our webpage as well. Have a great day.